Hello children, welcome back. Now I am taking 10th class Polynomials chapter. So before going to that chapter, let us have a small discussion about the proverb. The proverb says here, forbidden fruit is sweet. What is this forbidden fruit, children? Forbidden fruit means it is the fruit which is not allowed to you to eat. Means you may have some health problems, so doctor has advised you not to take that. Even parents don't allow you, but you have an urge to have it, so secretly you will have it. What happens? It will spoil your health. This is the word by word meaning of this proverb, children. If you don't listen, you are spoiling your health. Same thing with your life also. Elders, teachers, they say things, some things for you to do, some things not to do. But as children, you will have certain enthusiasm that why can't I do? Sometimes you feel overconfidence. They said I can't do because I am small, but I can do it, let me try. So this is what is nothing but disobeying your elders. What happens, ultimately it leads to your failure in that work. At the same time, you need to get nice scoldings from your elders saying that when I told you not to do, why did you do? It's an unsuccessful effort which will degrade your morality, which will deactivate your brain. So children, if you want to have a healthy, happy and prosperous life, always listen to your elders. They say for your benefit only. When they say you are not supposed to do, how much attractive it is, you are not supposed to do. The reason is they know far better that if you got attracted to it and if you go in that direction, you are going to end up your life with a misery. So accept them, children. Understand, trust them. They are for your better sake. Follow them, you will have a beautiful life. Let us come back. Now we are going to talk about linear polynomial, the graphical representation of linear polynomial. So children, it's on the whiteboard I am teaching. Drawing the graph is not at all possible. So I am trying my level best to teach you in this way. If you do whatever method that I taught you, if you do it in your graph book, you will get the exact answer, children. So let me try with the first one. You have got linear polynomial means for children. Linear polynomial is a polynomial which will give you a straight line. So let us take one example. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. You know far better, children, for a straight line you want 2 points. In geometry, how that 2 points when you join, you will get straight line. Okay, so minimum 2 values you require. So make a table. You can take more than 2 also. Let me take 3 values here, x and y. Equation is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Suppose I have taken x value as 0. I have taken x is equal to 0. That means what, children? 2 into 0 plus 3, that is 3. So the ordered pair here is 0, 3. Okay, next. If I take x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus 3. 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So the ordered pair is 1, 5. X is 1, y is 5. Suppose if I have taken x is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3. This is 1. So minus 1, 1 is the ordered pair. X is minus 1, y is 1. Now let us represent these values in the graph. When you take the graph, you know that x-axis, y-axis. This is x-axis. You have been doing this, children. Y-axis, and you call this as a quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Quadrant 1 has got both positive values. Quadrant 2 has negative x and positive y. Quadrant 3 has both positive x and y. Quadrant 4 has positive x and negative y values. So now, let me represent the points. 0, 3. This is 0 children. 3 is here. So this is the point 0, 3. 1, 5. This is 1 and 5 is here. So approximately this is 1, 5. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 will be somewhere here. So if you join a line, you are going to get a straight line. Actually, the graphical problems are to find out the solution. How do you get the solution, children? When you are joining these lines and extend it through x-axis, upon which value of x-axis this line is joining, that is your solution. So before joining the points which you have already got, go for checking, children. You have got in your graph sheet, whenever you write on the right side in the single rule you will be writing, no, there only you have to go for checking. The checking part first you do, then you go for the graph, correct graph that will be giving you the correct values, children. So now let me talk about the checking. How will you do this checking, children? 2x plus 3, consider it as 0. 2x is minus 3, x is minus 3 by 2. What is minus 3 by 2 means, children? Minus 1.5. So exactly at 1.5, that is minus 1 and minus 2. Between minus 1 and minus 2, the center point will be 1.5. So if you, after drawing this, if you join all these points, you are going to get a straight line. This is your solution, children. So solution, you circle it. That is the solution. So upon this line, you have to write the equation y is equal to 2x plus 3. This equation line it is. This is the solution. So here in the graph, you will write solution x is equal to minus 1.5. This is your answer. You have got that here itself, now, children. So checking first you do. Because without doing checking, if you directly join the points, you may miss, children. Sometimes when you are not keeping your scale properly, sometimes you may miss that point, then you will not be scoring any marks. So first you go for checking, find out the answer, take that point also on x-axis, circle it, then you join all the lines, you will be getting a perfect answer, children. This is how I suggest you to do the graph. I hope you have followed this problem, children. Please copy it. Now do this. First problem, when you see, the problem is y is equal to 2x plus 5. So I need to take 3 as I have explained earlier. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. So when I have taken x as 0, 2 into 0 plus 5, I have got 5. 0, 5 is the ordered pair. X is equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 5, 7, 1, 7. X is equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 5, minus 2 plus 5, that is 3. So the answer is minus 1, 3. Now these points I have represented here. This is 0, 5. This is 0. And from 0 to 5, this is the point. And 1, 7. 1, 2, 7. This is the point. minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3 is here. Now, before joining this, go for checking. 2x plus 5 is 0, 2x is minus 5, x is minus 5 by 2, that is minus 2.5. So what I am saying, keep the point at minus 2.5 and join all these lines. So this is the solution. So here you will be writing solution x is equal to minus 2.5. So this is the problem, children. As graph is not available, I am doing it in this way. So cooperate with me, children. I hope you have followed. Copy it. Next. Now second bit, do this second bit, children. Second bit is y is equal to 2x minus 5. So the ordered pairs, I have made the box 1, 2, 3. Y is equal to 2x minus 5. So x value I have taken 0. 2 into 0 minus 5, that is minus 5. Ordered pair is 0 and minus 5. If x is equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus 5, 2 minus 5, minus 3, minus 1 comma minus 3. X is equal to minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 7. So minus 1 comma minus 7. This I have kept it in this graph. 0 comma minus 5 is here. 1 comma minus 3 is here. Minus 1 comma, this is minus 1, minus 7 is here. Now before forming a line, I have done checking. 2x minus 5 is 0. 2x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So exactly in the middle of 2 and 3, the point. This line when you draw, you will be getting it there. So what you do, you keep a point at a 2.5, circle it, and then join all the 4 lines. The equation, the line is 2xy is equal to 2x minus 5. So the solution here is 2.5. This is the answer. So wherever the line intersects x-axis, that will be the solution of these problems. Copy this, children. Now the third bit, children, do this. The third bit says you y is equal to 2x. So when you make a block, y is equal to 2x, when x is equal to 0, 2 into 0, that is 0, 0 comma 0. X is equal to 1, 2 into 1, that is 2, 1 comma 2 is the ordered pair. X is equal to minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, so minus 1 comma minus 2 are the ordered pairs. Now you are representing this in the graph. How is it? 0 comma 0 is this point, 1 comma 2, 1 and 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2 is this. Before joining the line, go for checking. 2x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So this itself is the point, so you can draw a line, and upon this line you write y is equal to 2x, and here the solution is x is equal to 0. So this is how you need to do the linear polynomials representation, children. I will teach the next part in the next class.